Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, welcome to NIVS Homeschool. Today I am going to take a math class of class 7. This is the second math class of annual examination. Our today's topic is chapter 5, exercise 5.3. Okay, here the chapter 5 exercise 5.3 is resolve into factors. Here at first you have to know what is factor. What is factor? Then we have to know resolve into factors. What is meant by this? And then we have to know the rules of resolving into factors. Okay, at first I will show what is factors. What is factors? Dear students, in arithmetic, you know, factor means a number which can divide a number. That is called factor. It means that suppose 12 is a number, we can divide 12 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. All these numbers are the factors of 12. Okay, now if the question is resolve into factors, then we can write 12 as product of some factors. Suppose 2, 2 and 3. Here 2 is a factor of 12, 2 is a factor of 12 and 3 is also a factor of 12. So resolving 12 into factor means express 12 as product of some factors. Okay. In algebra, factor means an expression which can divide another expression. Exactly, that is called factor of that expression. Suppose 4x square minus 9 is an algebraic expression. We can divide 4x square minus 9 by 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. It means that we can express 4x square minus 9 as product of 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. Here 2x plus 3 is a factor of 4x square minus 9 and 2x minus 3 is also a factor of 4x square minus 9. Okay. So expressing an expression as product of some algebraic expression is known as resolving into factors in algebraic expression. To resolve an expression into factors, there are some rules. Today I will show only two rules. First one is, at first we have to observe the expression, and if we get any common factor from all the terms, then we have to take that one as common. It means we can divide that by the fraction. It means that if I write ax plus bx, here both the term has x, so we can divide both terms by x. It means that we can take x as common. So our first rules is, if we get any common factor in the expression, at first we have to take that one common. Then the next rule is, if we don't get any common factor, then we have to try to apply the formula. We have 3 formulas for this chapter. First one is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and another one is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and third one is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Using these formulas, we can solve the problems of exercise 5.3. Now let us start. I'll solve some questions from this chapter. At first I have written question 1. X square plus xy plus zx plus yz. This is the first question. I have to resolve this question into factors. At first, we have to observe that if there is any common factor here in all the terms or not. Here is x square, here is xy. So we can say x is common here, but in this term also x, but there is no x. So we can take common x from all the terms. As we can take common from all the terms, as the number of terms are even, so we can consider 2 terms and 2 terms. Now if we consider this 2 term, here x is common, and if we consider this 2 term, here z is common in both the terms. So we can take x common from first 2 term. If we divide x square by x, x will be the quotient, and if we divide xy by x, y will be the quotient. Then we have to take z as common from the next 2 term. If we take z from this term, we will get x here, and if we take z from this term, we will get y here. Now observe, x plus y and x plus y is common here, so we can take x plus y at first. Then remaining x here, write x, here is plus sign, give plus sign, here is z remaining, write z. Now I have expressed this expression as product of 2 algebraic expression. So if we resolve this expression into factors, we will get this one. So this is our required answer for the first question. This is our required answer for the first question. X plus y into x plus z. Now question 2. 4 terms in this expression given, a square bc. Here is no a, so we can take common a from all the terms. We have to consider 2 terms. Here is a square, here is bc, no common here among these 2 terms, but here is a common factor a, but if we take a from this 2 term, we will not get common here. So we have to arrange these terms. So that we can take common from each pair. Consider first one is a square and then AB, then CA plus BC. I have arranged these 4 terms using a technique. Here is a square, here is AB. If we take A as common from this 2 term, we will get, in the first term A will remain and here will be B. Now consider this 2 term. If we take C as common from this 2 term, it means from this 2 term take C as common, In the first term A will remain and in the second term B remain. Now A plus B is common in both. So we can take A plus B at first, then A is remaining and C is remaining. So we can say the answer of question 2 is A plus B into A plus C. Now go to question 3. Here first one is AB into PQ plus QY. It means that we have to multiply PQ plus QY by AB. And if we multiply, we will get 2 terms, and then here is another 2 terms given. So we will get total 4 terms here. At first find out the 4 terms. AB, PQ. Here the question is not Q here, this is PX. So this will be ABPX. This is the third question, and ABQY. Then here is given A square QX plus B square PY. Okay. Now we have to take common. At first arrange ABPX and A square QX. Then B square PY plus AB QY. Now take AX common from these 2 terms, BP remaining here plus AQ remaining here in this term, plus if we take BY common, BP remaining here and AQ remaining here. Now BP plus AQ, BP plus AQ, and here is AX remaining, here is BY remaining. So we can say our answer of question 3 is BP plus AQ into AX plus BY. Now the next question 7. Our next question is 7. 16x to the power 4 minus 81 y to the power 4. We can take anything common here, so we have to try to apply the formula here. Now you can consider 4x square whole square, this one, and 9y square whole square is the second term. Now consider here the formula a square minus b square. It means that a plus b into a minus b. Apply this formula here. We can write a means 4x square here, b means 9y square here. So we can say 4x square minus 9y square. Now in this term, in this expression, we can't apply any formula, so it will remain same. But in the second one, we can apply formula here. 2x whole square minus 3y whole square. It means that in this factor we will get again this formula, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write this one in this way, 4x square plus 9y square, and then 2x plus 3y, it means a plus b into a minus b, 2x minus 3y. This is our required answer for question 7. Now I'll solve question 8. Question 8 is a square minus x plus y whole square. Consider x plus y as b. If we consider x plus y as b, it will be a square minus b square. It means this formula. So we can write the formula here. The formula is a plus b. B means x plus y into a minus b. A minus b means x plus y. Now remove the second bracket. First bracket, a plus x plus y. Here multiply by minus a minus x minus y. This is the answer for our question 8. This is our required answer. Just a simple question. Now I will solve question 9. Question 9 is 2x minus 3y plus 5z. To x minus 3y plus 5z whole square minus x minus 2y, x minus 2y plus 3z whole square. Now consider this term as a, this term as b. Consider this expression as a and this expression as b. So we can say this is a square and this is b square. It means that a square minus b square. So we have to apply this formula here. The formula is a plus b into a minus b. A means 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus b. B means x minus 2y plus 3z. A plus b into a minus b. A means 2x minus 3y plus 5z minus b means x minus 2y plus 3z. So we can write this removing the first bracket, 2x minus 3y plus 5z plus x minus 2y plus 3z. When we will multiply any expression by plus sign, the sign will remain same. Then the next one, 2x minus 3y plus 5z here, then we have to multiply by minus. If we multiply by minus, the sign will be changed. Minus x plus 2y plus minus 3z. Now calculate here. What will be the first expression here? 2x positive here, x positive here, so we can write 3x positive here, 3y negative and 2y negative, so we can say minus 5y negative here, 5z positive, 3z positive, so we can say 8z positive here. Now we can calculate here 2x positive, x negative, so we can say only x remaining here. If we subtract x from 2x, we will get x. Now 3y negative, 2y positive, so minus y will remain here and 5z positive here, 3z negative here, so we can say plus 2z remaining. This is our required answer for question 9. This is our required answer for question 9. Now I will solve question 10. Question 10 is 4 plus 8 square plus 9 a to the power 4. Now, at first I can arrange this 9 a to the power 4 plus 8 a square plus 4. Arranging the expression according to the highest index to lowest index. Here the index of A is 4, here index of A is 2, here is no A, it means this is constant term. Arranging the terms according to highest index to lowest index. Now we can apply a formula here, 3a square whole square. It means a square plus 2, a means 3a, if we consider 3a square, b means 2 here, so we can write 2 square. Now see here, 3a square whole square, 3a square whole square means 9 a to the power 4. So we are getting the first term. Here 2 square means 4. So we are getting the last term. Now we have to observe the middle term. Here 2 into 3 means 6, 6 2s are 12. Here is 12 a square. But given 8 a square, I have written 12 a square. I have written 4 a square more. So we have to subtract 4 a square from this. To make balance, we have to subtract 4 a square. Now, if we consider 3a square as A and 2 as B, from this portion we will get A plus A square plus 2ab plus B square. It means that A plus B whole square, A plus B whole square. Here A means 3a square, B means 2 whole square minus 4a square means we can write 2a whole square. Now this is the formula. If we consider this is as A and this is as B, so we can apply a formula here, A square minus B square. Here the formula of A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So we can write A means 3a square plus 2 plus B, B means 2a. A minus B means 3a square plus 2 minus 2a. Now we can arrange according to the index of the variable here, 3a square plus 2a plus 2, 3a square minus 2a plus 2. This is our required answer for question 10. I have solved 7 questions from this chapter today and I have given you 3 questions as your HW. Here your HW is question 4, 5 and 6. Do your assigned HW in your HW copy and submit your HW next Sunday and collect your previous HW on that day from the school library. Dear students, homework is very, very important for you as CT marks, diary marks, SBA will be given based on your homework in annual examination. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe, Allah Hafiz.